For CE transistor amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector resistance of 2 kilo ohms is 4 volts. If the current amplification factor of the transistor is 100 and the base resistance is 1 kilo ohms, then what will be the input signal voltage? We are given a collector resistance RC equals 2 kilo ohms and voltage across collector resistance VC equals 4 volts and current amplification factor beta is 100 and base resistance RB equals 1 kilo ohms. We need to find the input signal voltage V input. The collector current IC is given by the Ohm's law as IC equals VC by RC, which equals 4 volts by 2 kilo ohms, which is 4 by 2000, that's equal to 2 milliamps. Now let us find the base current IB using the current amplification factor beta. IB is given by IC by beta, which equals 2 milliamps by 100 equals 0.02 milliamps, which is equal to 20 microamps. Now let us find the input signal voltage V input. Using Ohm's law across the base resistance, we get V input equals IB into RB. Here IB is 2 microamps into RB is 1 kilo ohms. That is equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1000, which is equal to 20 millivolts. Therefore, the input signal voltage is 20 millivolts. So, the correct answer is option D.